Hi Mac user, I've been using a MacBook Pro since 2013 and I find this very good computer and it's not giving me a lot of problem, and the memory is still good, but it's a little bit slower because I got to clean up a lot of rubbish and got to archive a lot of files. But anyway, generally it's good, and I don't have problem with virus and so on. There's no issue of having virus. So it's good. I give a 5-star for MacBook Pro. This is my second notebook charger. The first one, the entire charger blew up and caused a lot of anxiety. And I bought this one, and the problem with the charger is that you can see the metal be exposed there, and this is getting bad. Somehow the coating, the white coating material is not good enough. It got broken everywhere. So this is the part where it get exposed and so on. So for this second charger, I paid around 200 ringgit. It's very expensive for a charger like this. But anyway, I got to use the MacBook is good, and only the charger is very bad. This is the second one, and it's not good either. So I hope Mac would pay me back for buying another charger. So we went into the internet, and there have been several shops selling it online. The charger, this is a premium charger from Mac. So we bought it, and it's a prolated sheet of magnet, Apple 18.5 volt, 4.6 amp. That's the charger we got, the new charger. So this is the third charger that we use. This one we bought it online, and it seems to be charging alright. This is the number, reference number, and it's still charging my MacBook. So 3 chargers since 2013, and I hope Mac could do something about it, and maybe to reimburse the money I've spent for the charger.